Assalamualaikum, welcome to Healthy Desi Cooking. In today's video we are going to make potato semolina snacks. So let's get started. We are going to use 2 boiled potatoes and we are going to mash it using the blade gadget. If you do not have the gadget, you can simply use the pestle. Once we are done with it, we are going to take 1 cup of semolina and cook it on low flame until it turned into light golden color. Once its color is goldenish brown, then we are going to add some water in it and going to make a paste and going to mix it until it becomes thick. Then we are going to take a bowl and added the mashed potatoes and the paste of semolina and added oregano, 1 teaspoon of oregano, then added 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and lastly 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Then we are going to mix it with hand, or you can also use the spatula. Now the dough is prepared after mixing all the spices nicely without making any lumps. Then we are placing the dough on the plastic paper, cutting it into 2 halves. Now with the 1 half we are going to roll it and make it flat depending on the required thickness. We are not making it too thin. After flattening it, we are going to carve out the required shapes. Then pour some oil in the frying pan and waiting for it to get heat up. During that, we have carved out all the shapes we have needed. Once the oil is hot enough, we are going to put the carvings into the oil and let it cook. Going to cook it on low to medium flame, and when one side is changed its color into golden brown, we are going to flip it. Now both sides are done and our snacks are ready, and we're going to dish it out and gonna show it to you. So here's our today's recipe. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and please do comment and share your thoughts with us. Meet you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.